Hi everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through 5 simple and effective tips to resolve cellular data issues on iOS. Let's get started. First, restart your iPhone. It's a quick and easy way to clear up minor glitches. Just press and hold the power button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Slide it to turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Next, toggle airplane mode. This resets your network connections and can resolve minor issues. Swipe down to open the control center, tap the airplane icon to turn it on, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it off again. If that doesn't work, check your mobile data settings. Open Settings, tap Mobile Data, and ensure it's turned on. Also, verify your carrier settings. You may need to reselect your carrier or check that roaming is enabled, especially if you're traveling. Updating your carrier settings is another important step. Go to Settings, tap General, then tap About. If a carrier update is available, you'll see a prompt follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Finally, if the problem persists, reset your network settings. Keep in mind this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth pairings, and custom cellular settings. To do this, open Settings, tap General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode, and confirm. Your iPhone will restart with default network settings. These 5 tips should help you resolve cellular data issues on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.